All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlackFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, using the Drip Network to get 1% back every single day, all kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're going to be talking about Floki Inu. This token is right this second up tremendously. I mean, like really tremendously. You'll hear in like a minute from now, super crazy up. Floki Inu actually flips Amazon to be the #1 traded asset on this platform. We're going to go over that. So maybe that's why this is up so much, but it flipped Amazon. And we're going to go over to maybe there's a useful reason that cryptocurrency is out there. Is there a utility that cryptocurrency that is actually being used? And we believe it's helium, so we're going to talk about helium for a second, a little article about a cryptocurrency that utility is actually good, and it's not just a coin. I like that. And then we're going to go to crypto bubbles and add the Floki Inu in there and put it in my favorites. So all kinds of nice stuff going on. All right, do a price prediction of Floki when we're all done. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even own some cryptocurrency. All right, everybody, let's head over to Floki Inu. All right, this is crazy. Floki Inu 2862 up 54%, up 50% in the last 7 days, up 31% today. Which one's bigger, the 31% today or over the 54% in the week? I don't know. What a great option to have. Clicking it. All right, look at that, up 32% for the day. There's 4 zeros and a 59.8. We'll come back to a price prediction a little bit. Taking a look at the charts for today. Look at that little nice C. Let's look at the 7 days. 7 days is looking fantastic. Look at Floki's way down here in the valley, and it's been going up, up, up for the last 7 days. It's up over 50%. If this was weight loss or weight gain, it's gained 50% of its body weight in the last 7 days. Holy cow, Floki. Going to the holders, checking the 3 months. All right, 90 days ago, there was 45,000 people holding the Floki Inu. 90 days later, 45,000 turns into 55,000. So that's 10,000. So about a 22% increase. So 22% more people in 90 days holding that Floki Inu. All right, the big thing. Floki Inu flips Amazon to tread as the #1 asset on this platform. So there's Amazon and Floki Floki's doing the flip. All right, we're seeing cryptocurrency, including meme coins like Dogecoin, Floki, and among others, enter the mainstream reel, which is just a dream until a couple years back. However, crypto has grown far and wide and is challenging the e-commerce giant Amazon. What? Cryptocurrency is challenging Amazon? So it says, interesting, the feat was achieved by no other than Floki Inu, a meme token that aims to shed the tag of the meme coin. The Floki token flipped Amazon to trend as the #1 on the StockTwits, the original social platform for investors and traders across all asset classes. Wow, #1 on StockTwits, flipping the Amazon. This marked a big achievement for Floki's team and community as the token was able to take over the #1 spot after Amazon trotted profits in the earning report. Amazon trotted profits in their earning reports, following a massive spike in the share price. So right here it says Floki has just flipped Amazon and treads as #1 asset on StockTwits. Coming on the heels of Amazon impressive earnings reports yesterday, this is an impressive achievement. This shows that Floki truly is the people's movement. The people trump any giant corporation any day. Hey, good job, Floki Inu. Super awesome there. Could this be part of why the token is up 50%, 54% in the last 7 days? Holy cow, everybody. All right, over at Crypto Bubbles, I just want to take a second and show you this. This is a platform we like a lot. Again, just in a glance right here, look at UFO is up 68%. May have never heard of a UFO. You just click it, and look, for the year, it's up 2,400%. Okay, so that's kind of good. 68% up for the week, 5% up for the day. I like that over here. I got Elon as one of my favorites. You know, Elon's up 1,100%. I just try to put Floki in here. I can't pull Floki up. Hey, sorry about that. Maybe it's too deep on the coin market cap, 2,800. I know it goes down to the top 1,000. Anchor's over here. But again, just want to give a little shout out to Crypto Bubbles. Make sure you use the platform. It's very, very awesome. All right, Floki Inu up 50-some%. Holy cow. Flips Amazon as the #1 on that platform. Absolutely awesome. Let's go to cryptocurrency that is useful. This article is about that finally there's a cryptocurrency that's useful and happens to be helium. We actually have a helium miner ourselves, so it's a pretty good topic. So here's the thing about the helium. Take a look at this. See, there's a signal, and the coins are coming in. And look at this person's in their apartment, okay, and they got a helium miner, and they're actually making money off of it. So let's see what it says. Helium, a wireless network provided by cryptocurrency, hints at the practical promise of decentralized service. This is one of the most frequent questions asked by crypto skeptics is what can they actually do with crypto besides financial speculations and crimes? It's a tough question to answer. In part, most of the success and legal use of crypto so far has been in finance and finance adjustment fields. There is plenty of crypto exchanges, NFT platforms, and video games that involve buying and selling crypto tokens, but so far not many crypto projects have been what I call a normal utility. Normal. Something that you normally use, solving problems that exist for people outside the crypto world. They're on primarily about buying and selling digital assets would be impossible to solve with normal non-crypto technology. But recently, I discovered one that does. It's called Helium. And why it's not the most attractive grabbing crypto project out there, no cartoon apes, no constructions are involved. Trying it out has helped me understand how crypto can quite usefully in solving certain types of problems. On one basic level, Helium is a decentralized wireless network for the Internet of Things, devices powered by cryptocurrency. So it says the network is made up of a device called a Helium hotspot. I'm going to go back up to the top here. So this person in this room has a Helium hotspot, and this yellow token is the crypto that's coming in, and right here is the signal. Notice the signal that's kind of going off this. This is a pretty good advertisement thing right here. But the person's sitting in their apartment, and they're literally making cryptocurrency by using, right here, a Helium hotspot, the gadget with antennas that can send small amounts of data over long distance using radio frequencies. These hotspots, which cost roughly around $500, can reach about 200 times farther than the conventional Wi-Fi hotspots. Shares the owner's bandwidth with the nearby internet-connected device. Things like parking meters, air quality sensors, smart kitchen appliances, maybe your dog's collar, not run outside the fence and stuff. Anyone can use a Helium network, although most of the users are companies. Like Lime has used Helium to keep tabs of connected scooters. Victor Mousetrap Company, which uses its new line of internet-connected traps. So this company uses a connected trap, which is using the Helium. And it says that there's more than over 500,000 Helium hotspots are used around the world, with thousands being added to the network every day. Here's where the crypto part comes in. In addition to transmitting data, the Helium hotspots rewards the owner for participating in the network by creating units of cryptocurrencies called HNT. These tokens can be bought and sold on the open market like any other cryptocurrency, and more a hotspot is used, the more HNT the token is generated. So they're saying in this article that right here, maybe there is a use for cryptocurrency at all. This is a wireless network. So again, if you're looking to mine cryptocurrency, Helium hotspots are pretty good. Ours is probably making between $250 to $350 a month. Costs $500. So it takes a couple months to break even. You can only have one in your house at a time. But I just like this. I did this yesterday, but I didn't notice that this thing was moving. But every time that light goes on, boom, in the guy's room, it's letting you know, like right above it, that the signal's going out. And because you're using this signal, you're getting rewarded in that Helium right there. So it's kind of like going into a piggy bank. All right, Helium hotspots. One of the cryptocurrencies that's a utility that people are using that they're actually saying is a good cryptocurrency. All right, Floki Inu, you're up over 50% in a week, 30% in a day. What's going on? Let's go back for a price prediction, talk about Floki a little bit. I'm over here at the Twitter account. Here's some exciting area sneak peek for Floki's upcoming NFT metaverse game, Valhalla. So I just kind of wanted to show you this. It's 23. All right, here we go. here at the Floki Inu's Twitter account. And I also wanted to show you this. Just in, Floki is now the top purchase token by the top 1,000 BSC whales. That was just in too. So people are liking the Flokis. Whales are gobbling up the Floki. And you know, anytime the whales gobble up, you want to follow what the whales are doing. Floki Inu, the people's cryptocurrency. I'm at their website. Where can you buy it? You can buy it on PancakeSwap. You can buy it on Uniswap. You can buy it with a credit card. It says right here, there's over 390,000 holders of the Floki. There's over 10 million followers reaching the influence network, and 270,000 people on Twitter. So Floki is actually moving up and doing pretty good. You got Floki University, Floki Places, Vahilla, and the DeFi. Let's kind of go back over to do the price prediction. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, Floki's got the 4 zeros and a 59.71. It's kind of hard to tell. This token is bumped up so much, so that 59 I think it's going to go up to about 65. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only. When a coin bops up 50-some% in 7 days, you think it's going to settle a little bit. So you kind of want to pay attention and watch this. But freaking crazy, up 30% today, up 55% for the week. Floki Inu right here, 28.62. You're taking a look at this, again, up 30% in the last 7 days. All right, again, all our information is for educational purposes only. The Drip Network is paying 1% every single day. I got a couple videos on that. And don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon. Click right here to see our most recent video. Is Floki on your radar? It should be. It's up 50-some%. All right, everybody, have a fantastic day. We'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for tuning in to Frank's Crypto Corner.